Well, hello everybody. So, we're going to try the cluster thing again. I got this little guy in the mail today. We are going to go ahead and throw him in and see how he does. Because we all know I tried that once before and it didn't end very well. This time I remembered the magnet though. Alright, and of course I dropped the steering column. So that is out of our way. And there it goes. Okay. Push down. And then it comes. And then you can pull it forward. Watch the odometer stem. Good night. That's what I get for being in a hurry trying to make a more straightforward video. We're going after this one in the lower corner. It's in the same place as this guy, but on the other side. Okay, good. He was the one, remember, that the mechanic had put in the wrong screw, so it isn't stripped. And sometimes you never know till you go to pull it back out. Wiggly wiggly. Dip. There. Don't know why that insists on being such a pain in the butt, but it does. Now that I'm all caught in the steering wheel. There we go. How we got? Wow. Okay. There we go. Don't mind me for when I get in a hurry. These things happen. Click. Click. Okay. Now, for our test run, because I want to make sure it works before I put everything back together. Okay, there's our one guy. With y'all there while we go for a drive, but we're gonna do it. So far so good. Lights, gas gauge is reading correctly. About the check engine, I mean the SRS light, that's been happening. Ah, there we go. Thing is rattling again. A sensor that's wanting to hit underneath the car. work. Over. There we go. Now, brake light. Yep. Can't remember if this thing is supposed to tell you when your trunk's open or not. I thought it was. There it goes. I'd say that's a win. Alright, finishing up the install. I properly hung it on those little notches, ran in that screw, ran in that screw. Everything's all snugged up. That's where I got it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thumbs up to you. We got our top one in. And as y'all saw, everything functioned perfect on the test drive. Remember, when you go to install this, we've got actual clips that line up with the line right here. They go into that hole and that hole up front. And then you've got your two little clips at the back here, which really aren't clips, they're more like hooks. And they just go in those holes. And remember, that piece goes in this area right here. And remember, watch out for your odometer stem. You gotta fish it around that. And you just kind of work it in. Push it back to click. Push it back to click. And we are engaged in our spot. Okay? Now I just have to put these two screws back in. I'll start number one. And then number two. And yes, you'll notice I gave the cluster a good wipe down. Okay, got that guy tight. So they're both tight now. We are back in business. All right, well, that concludes that fun little adventure. All right, y'all, take care. And if you liked my gajillion-and-one cluster videos, give me a like. Let me know if you think it was worthwhile, all this drama. All right, y'all. Have a good night. Take care.